Declan's free kick has initial velocity of 5i minus 38j plus 6.75k. Can Thibaut save it? A-level maths projectiles question, 3D vectors. And it's Suvat. Putting the numbers in, well, we don't actually know what the displacement is yet. The initial velocity we have been given there, so I'll put that in. 5i minus 38j plus 6.75k. Final velocity, we don't know yet. Acceleration, the way it's set up here, z-axis is down, so we're going to have 0i plus 0j minus gk. Time is t. Let's get the position vector equation, and it's going to be a Suvat, and it's going to be s equals ut plus half at squared. R then equals, plug in the stuff in, we've got our initial velocity, that goes by the name of 5 minus 38, 6.75 t plus a half, and our acceleration is 0, 0 minus g, and then we've got the old t squared kicking about there. Just tidying that up slightly then, you're just going to have on the top 5t minus 38t in the middle, and then your bottom one is going to have the combi, which is 6.75 minus a half gt squared. There you go. So that is the trajectory of the ball. Put in the time, it'll give you the position in 3 dimensions. All right, let's check it gets in the goal first, because it could still miss, or it could be high or wide. So let's use this 25 meters to the goal. That's the y-axis. Define this as the negative direction actually. So here's our y coordinate. So we want minus 38t equals minus 25. That'll tell us when it reaches in line with the goal. 25 divided by 38, otherwise known to many as 0.66 seconds. Let's get the x and z coordinates for that then. So overall, at this time, what is the position? Well, the r, the y coordinate we know already should be 0. X will be 5 times that then, right? 5 times 0.266, otherwise known as 3.3. What about z? 6.75. There should be a t here. So times 0.66 minus a half times 9.8 times 0.66 squared, 2.32. Let's check it. Well, xy is what's half of the 7.32. That's supposed to be standard width of goals. 3.66. So 3.33 as an x coordinate to the right is within the goals, because the width from the center to the end is 3.66. Good stuff. Up and down the way, it's 2.44. Compare that to 2.32. Looking good. We're in the top corner somewhere here. Cool. And then we're going to check if Thibaut's going to catch it or not. Well, he starts at 1.8k. That's somewhere approximately here. And we're going to work out, can he actually get there in time? Well, he's going to go at a constant velocity of 6, constant speed of 6 meters per second, sorry. And he's got a bit of a reaction time to deal with as well. All right then, let's investigate. So the time he's really got to get there is 0.66 minus his reaction time, which is 0.51 seconds. So long he's got to work with. And how far can he travel in how far can he travel in that time at 6 meters per second? Distance equals speed times time equals 6 times 0.51. 3.06 meters. Whereas, what is actually the distance between his initial position and where the ball crosses the goal? What is that distance? Well, there's the position where the ball crosses. And we know the initial position is 0, 0, 1.8. So let's do Pythagoras and work it out. Even if we just do it in sort of 2 dimensions, you're going to have, for the x one, it's 3.3 minus 0 squared. Travelled 3.3 that way. And what about up the way? Well, that's actually going to be 2.32 minus 1.8 squared. Take the square root of that, you got the distance, and that'll tell you how far you need to travel. The suspense is killing me. I don't know about you. I'm hopeful he's going to catch it, you know, because I don't want him to be embarrassed necessarily. You don't want the goalkeepers to be... I don't have any allegiances, but oh dear, he's struggled. He has actually struggled. 3.34 meters is how far he needed to go to get from the start to there, using the appropriate time, and unfortunately, it's come up about 20 centimeters short.